Hey there, welcome back to another Business Bangla video. Mehedi here. Today I've got some pretty cool machines lined up to introduce you with that are perfect for your food factory, bakery or restaurant. As you can see, I've got quite the collection of dough mixers right here on the table. If you're familiar with dough mixers, you know just how critical they are. They're super useful when it comes to making all kinds of bread dough and batter. So essentially, a dough mixer is like your secret weapon in making perfect dough. All you need to do is put in flour, water, set the timer, and hit the power switch. It's a rotary dough mixer which makes your job even easier. You need to choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Here we have 40, 50 and 30 liter versions. There's a variety of sizes available. Wanna go big? You can get a dough mixer with a whopping 500 liter capacity. Check out these assortment of dough mixers. Let me show you another one. These are side liter capacity dough mixers. This one right here can whip up 12 kilograms of dough at once. Next up is the planetary mixer, specifically designed to help you prepare dough. Whether you're baking a cake, cookies, or whipping up some cream, this mixer got you covered. Here are various sizes from 30 liters down to 5 liters, and even smaller planetary mixers. Feast your eyes on these ovens, deck ovens, bed slicers, and other machines. These machines are meant to take your productivity to the next level. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. Be sure to give it a like if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.